Chapter 9 Tables.
Comments and all. Today we are going to start with the new topic, and the topic name is tables, right? So this is what the topic name is. Now, first of all, when you start off with writing the tables format in HTML, first of all, you should know that how does a table look like. So I just wanted to show you, see, this is a format of a table. Table has like these, the horizontal lines. These are known as the rows. And the vertical lines, when you go from up to down, these are known as vertical lines. Plus, in the table, you have these last name, sales, country, quarter. These are the headings. And Smith, Johnson's, Williams, the values, the country, the quarter, which is mentioned. These are the data inside a table. One more format of table, I can show it to you once again. See, this is the horizontal lines. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. The way it's going from left to right, these are known as rows. The horizontal one, x-axis. And the ones which are going up to down, from up and down, the way vertically, like y-axis, these are known as the columns. Plus ID, year, region and revenue are the headings. The rest all are the data. Okay. So now I hope the concept of a table is clear to you. All right. So let me put some thing for you first of all, so that it is quite clear. And let me say I will write what does the HTML thing does. So HTML tables, what they do, they allow web developers, right, to arrange, oh, is the spelling okay, to arrange the data in what, into I can say into rows and columns, right? So this is what the HTML tables do. Now, actually, how do you write this? Fine. So what you have to do is the first tag which you generally use over here is nothing but you will say table, right? And what you will do is you will close this tag as usual. This is this. Now, how will you create a table? I already told you that it has rows and columns. So same way here also what will happen? You have to first create the table row. So how are you going to write this one? It is like tr and then close it. All right. Then you will go down slash and close it like this. So this is your table row. Now, these table rows which you are putting, you have to put two things in that, the heading and the data. So let's put the heading. How will you put the heading now? See, you will go here, write like this. TH. TH stands for the heading. Now suppose you need the heading, say roll number, all right, and then you close it then and there only. Okay, so I have like this. Okay, so can you see this? Roll number is written, and by default you can see this roll number is in bold. So whenever you are writing whenever you are taking the tag as th, the heading is always in the bold form. Secondly, when you have to write the second heading, you have to come down. Whenever you're writing the code, it has to be like this only. Bring it down and then write it. Now, suppose the second heading name is name only. All right. So we'll close it here and like this. So see, roll number, name. Automatic it is coming on the side. Okay, then we come to the next one. The third heading will be, and can you see I'm not writing first heading, second heading. It's like just one below the other. That's all. So the computer will understand. Maybe which is your favorite subject. All right. So we are going to write it this way. And yes. So roll number, name and subject. What is the next step? You are going to close this table row. Okay. So this row has been closed. Now, when you have to put the data here, what is the next step which you will do? Again, you will write table row like this. Then, what is the next step? Correct. You have to close this like this. And then, same way, the way you were writing TH, same way what you have to do is you have to write TD. Correct? This is your data. So roll number is, suppose I say 304568. This is your roll number. All right. We have TD and close it. Okay. So wait. TD and close it. So can you see the roll number is written over here and it is not in bold also. Okay. Now I want to write the next thing. Whose roll number is this? For example, this roll number is of Lipika. Okay. So I am putting TD and I put here. So see, the name has appeared over here. Then, which is the favorite subject of roll number 30568, whose name is Lipika? So we can say TD, go down, and I will say the favorite subject is maths. Correct? And we go like this and close it right here. Okay? So can you see this one? Again, I have written this way. Correct? So you have these things, right? Okay. Now, what is the next thing? If I have to write the second thing, same thing goes here. You again have to go down, put TR, go like this, go down, slash TR, and like this. Same thing. I'm just repeating it for you once again. See, TD, we will put it like this. Now the next roll number is 105647. All right. Then we will again close this. Okay. Then you have the next line. That is, okay, see, I'm just missing out on this. Okay. So see, the next roll number is down. Then suppose I want to say TD. What is the name of the person? Yes, this name is nothing but Arush. And you have TD and close it. So see, the second name is Arush. And suppose he says, what is the favorite subject of Arush? You can say computers. Okay. And then we are going to close this. Okay. So I hope this is clear to all of you that how can we make the rows, or you can say the tables, in the HTML form. This is the method of making it. Plus, I wanted to make you understand one more thing. See, HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data in the rows and columns form. Other than the bold and unbold thing, there is one more thing which you can notice over here. That is this roll number, name and subject. If you observe carefully, these are center aligned. That means they are in the center. They are in the center. And these, the data 304568, Lipika, maths, 105647, Arush, computers, This, if you observe carefully, these are left aligned. See, if there's a row which we have to make, if there's a table which we have to make, can you see there's a line? So this is left aligned, that is shifted towards left and done. And these are the center aligned. I will tell you in the future classes that why am I saying center aligned and all, because when you start using CSS as the language, that time you will understand that how do you want to place your body and how do you want to place all the things. So since this is purely based for HTML, so I'm putting it this way. Once you will jump to CSS, then I'll explain you the difference of center aligned, left aligned and all. So I hope this is clear, and let's meet in the next class. Thank you.
Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Press on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.